YouTube. Rivian stock is under $10. So thank you guys for tuning into the Life Changing Finances YouTube channel. Make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe. So it is currently 11:44 a.m. Eastern Time, and we've got about 4 hours and 15 minutes left of the market being open. So at the time of this recording, Rivian is under $10. So for those of you that wanted to get in under $10, it could be an opportunity for you guys. So I don't give financial advice, but under $10 is pretty cheap. Will Rivian go further than this? It's a possibility. Okay. So for me, I want to have a nice dollar cost average on this, and today is a perfect opportunity to do it. Now, I'm not worried that the stock may go down even further. If it does, maybe I'll buy a little bit more to keep my DCA down pretty low. So I'm long term on Rivian. I'm not looking to necessarily swing trade this thing. So in my mind, I'm looking 3 to 5 years out, maybe even longer than that. So we talked about 2027 is going to be a nice year. You got a lot going on that year. You've got the latest Rivian that'll be coming out then is the R3, I believe is the model. So that R3 is going to compete with a lot of the smaller SUVs that are out there, kind of in that Honda CRV size, kind of like a smaller size SUV. So I think when that thing hits the market, the Rivian stock will start to move just because that'll get the sales up and moving for the company. Okay. So now let's look at this thing from a deeper lens and kind of look at some technical levels for Rivian. Okay, so you guys know I really love these EV stocks. I know it's pretty early in the game, but you can see today is April 11th, and you can see we were up to $10.33, and then we came all the way down to $9.38. We made a $1 move basically in one day. Okay, $1 move in one day is what I meant to say. So great opportunity for myself. I can't tell you to buy, hold, or sell or anything, but I just wanted to keep you guys in a loop of what's actually going on. Okay, great opportunity. So I want you guys to tell me in the comments, do you think this was a steal today? Do you think we're going to go further? How low do you think we're going to go? Are you thinking $8, $7, $6? We know the entire EV space is down right now, and including Tesla, right? So Tesla is down right now as well. But overall, we know that this is just a bump in the road. Okay. Now, where do we go for the rest of the year? I think that for the rest of the year, I think we can get as high as probably $15 a share. There was actually an article that came out, uh, and we'll take a look at it. So it said that Rivian has 98% upside, according to one Wall Street analyst. Do you guys agree with that or not? Okay. Now, I think it has more upside to it in a longer stretch, right? But in a shorter term, it's possible that it has 98% upside. So they've got to get some things together with manufacturing. I think there was like one of the plants or something that closed right after the data that came out on its deliveries. Correct me if I'm wrong. I know I've been kind of in and out on many of these stocks, but just keep me up to date. So this article says Rivian, like most stocks, got rocked on Wednesday, which was yesterday, after higher than expected inflation data dashed investor hopes for a series of federal rate cuts in 2024, but not to worry, says Bank of America. Hey, so we know that these interest rates have a heavy impact on companies like Rivian, right? So the higher the interest rates, the more skeptical consumers are when it comes to purchasing new vehicles, especially vehicles that are new to the markets and companies that don't really have much of a track record. Okay, so it also goes on to say, is Rivian stock a buy? Rivian stock closed just shy of $11, which was on Tuesday before the price target announcement. So a move to 21 per share would translate to a 98% return over the next year or so for new investors. That's pretty exciting news for investors if Bank of America analyst John Murphy is right. But is he right? So that remains to be seen, right? So again, I just wanted to give you guys an update on what was going on with the stock price thing. Again, this thing, in my opinion, is dirt cheap for those of you that have a long term mindset. Okay, so let me know what you guys think. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and we're out. Peace.